Does your laptop battery seem to disappear faster than it should? Maybe you close the lid at 80%, then come back a few hours later, and somehow it's already down to 50%. The strange part is that Task Manager often shows nothing unusual. That's because some battery-draining apps hide behind Windows power requests. Today, I'll show you how to use a built-in Windows tool called PowerCfg to find these hidden battery drains and stop them safely. Let's get started. Most people use Task Manager to check what is using their computer, and that's a good place to start. But battery problems are often different. Sometimes an app is not using much CPU, it is not using much RAM, and yet it keeps your laptop awake in the background. Think of it like a person leaving a room light on. The bulb doesn't use much power, but if it stays on all night, the electricity bill adds up. Windows works the same way. Some apps, drivers, and services can stop your computer from entering low-power sleep states. As a result, your battery drains faster. Fortunately, Windows includes a powerful troubleshooting tool called PowerCfg, and it can help us identify exactly what's happening. Let's start by generating a battery report. Press Windows Search, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, then select Run as Administrator. Now type PowerCfg/battery report and press Enter. Windows will generate a report and save it to your computer. Open the report by clicking the file path shown in the command window. Inside the report, look at battery usage, recent usage, and battery capacity history. These sections can help you understand how quickly your battery is draining. Now let's create another report. In Command Prompt type PowerCfg/sleepstudy and press Enter. Not every computer supports this feature, but if your laptop does, you'll receive a detailed sleep report. Open the report. Look for periods where the system remained active when it should have been sleeping. You may also see apps or services using power during standby. These are often the hidden causes of battery drain. Take note of anything that appears repeatedly. That information will help us in the next step. Before we continue, the next command can reveal what's draining your battery right now, and it only takes a few seconds. Now let's see what is actively preventing your computer from resting. In Command Prompt type PowerCfg/requests, then press Enter. Windows will display a list of active power requests. You may see categories such as Display, System, Execution, or Away Mode. If everything is working normally, some sections may show none. That's perfectly fine, but if you see a specific application listed, pay close attention. For example, a media player, a browser, a game launcher, or even a driver. These requests tell Windows to stay awake. They may stop the screen from turning off, prevent sleep mode, or keep hardware running longer than necessary. If you find a program you don't need, close it and run the command again. Sometimes that's all it takes to solve the problem. What if an app keeps coming back? That's where PowerCfg overrides can help. Important warning: only do this for software you recognize. Do not randomly override Windows system processes. The command looks like this: PowerCfg/requests override process, app name exe, execution, for example. If a specific app keeps preventing sleep, you can tell Windows to ignore its request. After running the command, restart your computer. Then run PowerCfg/requests again. If everything worked correctly, that app should no longer appear as an active power requester. This can be useful when dealing with software that constantly keeps your laptop awake for no good reason. Always test carefully after making changes. If something stops working properly, you can remove the override later. Remember, the goal is not to break software. The goal is to stop unnecessary battery drain. Now let's talk about long-term battery health. Software updates can introduce new background services. That's why it's a good idea to check your battery report every few weeks. You can also review startup apps regularly. The fewer unnecessary programs running in the background, the better your battery life will be. Another useful setting is your power plan. Open Windows Search. Type Edit Power Plan, then select Change Advanced Power Settings. Look for Processor Power Management and PCI Express Link State Power Management. Choosing power-saving options while on battery can help extend runtime. You don't need extreme settings. Even small adjustments can make a noticeable difference over time. The key is balance. Good performance when you need it, and better battery life when you don't. Let's recap. Generate a battery report. Run a sleep study. Check active power requests. Remove unnecessary battery drains, and use overrides carefully when needed. These built-in PowerCfg tools can help you find battery problems that Task Manager often misses. If you found this guide useful, leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.